I am a bee. Some of you remember me while eating breakfast or because of some ugly cheese thing. You have seen me everywhere. My colors are my trademark. Yes, perhaps it's gay once in a while, but only because you don't know me. You don't know a thing about me, what my real daddy is. I wake up every day earlier than you do. I have to struggle with pesticides, air pollution, and the loss of my dear flower meadows. But here's something you don't know either. What if I didn't wake up every day? Who would pollinate plants? Without plants, animals don't eat. Without animals, humans don't eat. You see, I am on top of the food chain. Your entire existence would only last a few minutes by its own. I am not scared of you, even if I'm small enough to be smashed. Without me, honey, the small one will be you.